Alright, what's up? Here we are with my E92 M3. I got it last week. It's completely stock right now, and I'm gonna start cutting up the exhaust. So right here, I have VRSF Test Pipes, and I'm gonna throw those on today. I'll add in some sound clips of before, and we'll throw this on, and we'll have some after. Let's get to work. Alright, so we're gonna open this box. Let's see what they look like. So I got them from VRSF. They shipped super quick. I bought them on Friday and they were here on a Monday.
Dude, open that box.
Maybe I opened this upside down. Nope. Maybe. Alright.
Oh, look at those.
So in here, we have our little band clamp. So this will go like this. Let me see. Well, here's the test pipe. We're gonna open her up. It looks pretty. So this is gonna go to my downpipe, bolt up stock. This is where your cat normally is. I'll show you underneath the car. And these will be clamping this to the rest of your X pipe.
Which you cut.
Which we're cutting.
This is your pre-O2 sensor, and that's your post-O2 sensor. And obviously the post-O2 sensor is now going to throw MIL and go bring, bring, bring.
Yep, so until I get it tuned, I'm gonna get a check engine light for my missing cats. So
Where's your cats?
Yeah. All right, so before you get started, you're gonna take this guy off. It's a series of 16 millimeters, a few 10 millimeters up here, and a few 8 millimeters back here. The last one's right up here in this jack point, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, and that whole thing should drop. I'm gonna have to break that loose.
It's lovely on the ears.
Dude, that hurt my ears really bad. Watch out for debris.
Debris.
There she is.
Oh, dude, look at that. You can see straight up where you need to disconnect them.
Yeah, so once you get that out of the way, everything gets a lot easier. You can get access to those bolts pretty straightforward. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get after. I already removed all that plastic, right? So if you have your primary, pre-cat O2 sensor and your secondary post-cat O2 sensor, to get those out, I just used an adjustable wrench. I don't know where it went, but just a wrench. And some PV blaster went a long way. Right here on the back side, that's a 14 mil. Just got these busted loose for now. I want it to be held up tight while I cut it. So anyways, right here, right where this clamp was, I'm gonna cut, and on this Sharpie line right here that's a little bit closer to us, that's where I'm gonna cut. So I'm gonna get after it, and then we're gonna drop these bad boys out. Wear safeties for this, wear gloves, be safe. Let's hope this goes well. One cat deleted. So yeah, it was pretty simple. Just unbolt it. What's up? So I just did a leak test and we're all good to go. This is all really hot right now. But so this is what it looks like before everything's all buttoned up, you know. I'll show you this side, it's pretty. This is the passenger side. This one I got to seal up, first try basically. I just used the band clamp that was supplied with the kit and some exhaust cement, some of this stuff right here. She was good to go. This side, however, as you can tell by the added putty everywhere, was a little more difficult. I ended up, well, what I learned is if you have, you know, when you make your cut, chances are it may not be perfect. If you have one side that has a more gap than the other, try and get the band part on that section. It'll seal up better versus if you get that section that's got the little gap piece with the screws and everything. It's my tip for you. Anyways, this side is all sealed up now, and I'm just gonna work on putting all my plastics and undercarriage stuff back on, and then we will go for a proper first drive.